Hello from Chicago. Alan Knuckman here at the CME Group, high above the trading floor, talking energy with the focus on crude oil. Another plus day, up $1.20 today, a 2% gain in crude, closing at $65.50. So it's been a crude climb this week. Now, we had a breakout of that 60 to 63 range, and since that time, it's been up, up, and away. The market's gained $3 from last Friday, and we also have some new relative highs closing in on that tip top. Now, this week's high was $65.75, less than $1 from that 3-year plus high that we saw at $66.66. Now, 66 is the target here from this range, that $3 range on top of that breakout high. Today's news, the rig rise. We had 2 consecutive weeks here with U.S. oil rigs gaining 4. Not a big deal. But that brings our total to 804, which is a gain of 150 over the last year. What's interesting is the Canada side. Obviously, Canadian oil is a big part of this North American quotient here. The Canadians have seen another decline, 58 rig decline after 54 last week. So net, they're down 84 rigs over this time last year. So that's offsetting the small gains we continue to see in U.S. drilling. So looking at other markets, obviously the macro market was a concern yesterday with the stock market sell-off. We're seeing assets stabilize. Stocks stop going down. We still have some time left to go to a close, but it looks like we're positive and holding some of those gains. Also, the dollar's moving lower. In the big picture, the dollar's been stuck between 88 and 90 now for more than 2 months. We're right at the 89 level, continuing to drift lower with the euro currency up 75 cents this week. So we push below that 89 pivot, could attack those 88 lows once again, and that is helpful for crude. We've seen gold move up, even though the dollar's not going down. Gold's up $40 on the weekly basis, and we've seen crude gain $3 on a weekly basis, so maybe it's anticipating that dollar decline. So what are the numbers to look for? 66 we keep talking about. If it breaks out above that, then that target's 75 on the upside, the measure move target from the $8 drop that we had from that last top. And then down below, we want to keep an eye on 63 on a weekly basis. That was the top of that range we traded in for 3 weeks. So 63 on the downside, 66 on the upside. That's the story with crude. Alan Knuckman here in Chicago.